So we have to tell people things that they want already, right? People want to have a sense of luxury, right? They want to feel awe, right? People like babies, right? Like, I think we should wrap babies in bacon. That's two awesome things at once. It's my $1 million idea. Okay. And what goes well with babies wrapped in bacon, baby Swift? I don't know. All right, people want to feel a sense of connection. They want to feel like they belong, right? They want to have fun. They want to put on a straw hat and carry around a woman wearing an 80s swimsuit, right? Don't you? I do. I do it right now. I guess there's not one around. All right. So, as you can tell already, this presentation is 45% funny pictures I found online, 20% making fun of young people, 20% making fun of myself, 20% math mistakes, and 5% being respectful to old people, which means, if you total that up, 110%. I'm giving you guys 110%. So I don't have any complaints. All right. Thank you.